You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Got some more garage sales coming up for you where we find stuff to flip online. In this episode, we're going to Birney. In this episode, we're going to Bernie, Texas, to try to find some cool stuff. Let's go check what we got.
What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. You?
Not bad. How much is this?
$5.
5? You know if it works?
It does, yeah. We can plug it in if you want to check.
That's fine. How about this little toy?
We'll do $2 for that.
2, and then the train?
That one's 40.
40?
Yeah.
Why is it 40? Just
Because it's never been used. The box is open, but it hasn't been used.
really?
Those go for 80 online, yeah.
50% off.
Dude, that's almost half.
But I don't feel like having to ship it anywhere.
Yeah. Any video game stuff?
Nah, man.
No. Yeah, I'll get this and that.
Okay.
There you go, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
$2 bill.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one of those in a long time.
They're still kicking. All right, well, appreciate it. Yeah, you too.
Good morning.
Hey, how's it going?
That one,
The weed?
yeah.
If you wanted, I'd probably sell it for $5.
Yeah, I'll take a gamble.
Take a gamble.
Yeah. Do you have the connections and stuff? You
Yeah.
want to grab it?
Yeah. You want
You getting this stuff, man?
Yeah, I already got it.
Yeah, that's cool.
So you came to load it up. My wife got it for us. And this thing too.
That's cool.
So with the weed, dollar on this here too, 50 cents. Can we just talk $6? I'll do 7.
Yeah. Let me go grab the. I'm gonna have to unhook it. So give me just a second.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time. You have games with it too, you said?
Yeah. I can bring those down.
Yeah. Did you want? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You find any other game stuff, man?
Huh?
You find any other game stuff?
No, my wife found this when she was with the kiddos.
Okay. You guys separate?
Still looking, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Would y'all take any less on this CD player? That's 10.
You know what? Let me
Okay.
Okay, he said he's 10 firm on that.
10 firm? Okay. I'll get this then. If I bought this, would you throw this in so make it 11 instead of 11.50? It said 50 cents and
50 cents.
$1.
$1.
Is that cool?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
We'll do that.
There you go.
Thank you so
Awesome.
much. Do you need a bag or anything?
Nope. I'll just throw it on top.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. All right, here's a better look at that CD player. This is definitely a brand to look out for. Marantz is a high-end audio equipment company. So yeah, came with the box. We got the remote. We got the manual, and it turns on. So I'm gonna throw some comps up, but for this one, it's probably gonna be a little higher, about 300. I'm gonna ask for, maybe even 350. I tried to get a cheaper price too. I'm a cheapskate, so if I can get $5 off, shoot. But that's a good buy at $10.
Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Very good.
How much are the toys?
How much for the toys?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Hey, how much are the toys?
Which ones?
Are they individually priced or?
Yeah, they could be.
Okay. I was interested in the whole box.
Okay. 200.
200. Huh?
It's somewhere. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere.
Saved it for display
Yeah,
or something?
Put it back in the box.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry about that. Yeah, it's all good.
Going through stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Got collectibles.
200, right out of my price range. $80. Let me think about it. You got anything else?
Not right
Besides
now.
that? No?
It's all just random stuff. Like
Did
I
you-
said, I'm just cleaning out a storage shed that I have.
Did you used to sell somewhere or something?
No, it's just we're doing like garage sale stuff. And everything.
Oh, okay. Getting it ready for that. Okay.
Yeah. The whole guy's in there. He's in the bag behind it.
Oh, he is? Okay.
Yeah, just be careful because he might fall out.
Yeah.
Pieces all over the place.
Keep it upright.
Here it is right here.
Oy.
$5.
5. Any other Pokemon stuff? My kids collect Pokemon. So.
I've got more of them. They're like I said, they're still in the shed somewhere that I've got.
Okay.
And so I'll have to dig them out eventually.
Can I leave my number with you, and then when you get around to them, I can check them out. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, my number, so
Yeah, sure. I'll let you
hit me up.
Thank you.
All right.
A box?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, look forward to hearing from you.
I want to see some old computers. There you go.
Oh shoot, that's awesome.
That's a real old one.
Yeah. How much is that guy?
$5.
$5? I'll take a chance
I
on
have
it.
no idea if it works.
Yeah, no worries.
Hey, if nothing else, it just holds the spot.
Yeah. It looks cool. That's.
I don't even know if this goes with it.
It looks like it might.
I'm sitting on top of it.
Cool. All right.
I've got more of this stuff.
You got more?
Oh, yeah.
Like this? Should I hang around and see what you pull out? Or what?
Consider me steady. just not on, if you would, please.
That thing's cool too.
Well, do you ever look at extra income streams, or are you making too much money now? I'm rich, bitch! You know what all that is, right?
I have an idea. I've never used it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
that makes one of us then.
Yeah. How much is this guy?
$10?
$10?
$5? I don't care.
Are you selling any of the toys on that shelf?
No.
No?
He decided not to yet.
You didn't want to? Okay. Cool.
I would say yes.
Okay.
That was a question of jurisdiction.
He gets a chance to sell yours.
Exactly why I go donate my husband's stuff.
So you do 5?
Sure.
5. I didn't pay for that, right? I think I just paid for this, right? Okay, cool. All right, y'all, as you can see, there's some decent money in this older electronics. If you find any out there and it's cheap, go ahead and take the gamble. It can pay off big time.
I would put a lot of these in my classroom library. I had taken a few of those at one time, but those were a little bit more mature. Yes. I'm open to any offers on things, and that actually has like, this is all like the bedding stuff too that can go on it.
How much would you do if I bought all that stuff?
All of that.
Yeah.
You want me to like because most of it's marked anywhere from $3 to $5.
Yeah.
So. And then could you do 50? All right.
50.
There's a couple of them
Yeah.
called.
I have to think about it.
Okay. How are you, sweetheart? What are you doing on a Saturday?
I know.
Are you reading and doing homework today? I hope good. She's got a lot of books. And I found some funny books.
You would entertain 30 for it all, would you?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just a lot of work. And then I have that too. I'll give you a buck for it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's like a storage thing or something.
Yeah.
Like a secret, yeah. I can't remember.
You gotta hide my drugs or whatever.
No, that's perfect.
No, I'm just kidding.
Wow, that's cool. What do you do with it?
You put your weed in there.
I don't
Whatever
do
you want
drugs.
to do with it. I
I'm
won't
just
question.
playing.
Okay, thanks, hon.
Yeah.
No problem. Oh, goodness.
Yeah, my daughter has way too much stuff.
Thank
but
you. And then you'll come back and get
yeah,
this?
I'll come back and get that. Yeah. Alright, so with the American Girl doll stuff, there were two situations that kind of hindered that buy. Number one, so a lot of that stuff was not American Girl. There was some Our Generation, some other Target brand baby clothes. And the second factor was my daughter took a large portion of it for her personal collection, which she doesn't really play with them, but she still claimed them. I will be getting them back. That's the fortunate part, but it's going to take a while. All right, let's take a look at what we got. So here's a small sampling of what I pulled out. I'm going to be in the profit just on this little bit alone. And I'll throw some comps up on the screen. Most people aren't going to care about the details about all this stuff, but here's some. And then I'll also have all this stuff. I'm estimating conservatively about $150 in profit on top of what I spent. Probably would have been double that if I wasn't raided by my daughter. But that's okay. At least they went to a good home. Alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that. Found some really cool stuff. I just love going to these smaller Texas towns. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did. And until next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got Dude Flips. Oh, baby, 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 baby. You're kind of a nice guy. You know that Dude Flips.